Caretaker IT Minister Dr. Umar Saif has confirmed the federal government's plan to facilitate the freelancers in Pakistan. 1. Enhance IT exports by institutionalizing dollar retention accounts, IT corporate debit cards to enable easy flow of money in and out of retention accounts, streamlining tax issues and training 200,000 IT professionals to add $5 billion to IT exporters. 2. Bring PayPal and Stripe to Pakistan and establish co-working spaces for 500,000 freelancers to increase their potential to additional $3 billion per year. 3. Launch Starlink in Pakistan to improve connectivity throughout the country. 4. Launch government-backed Pakistan Venture Capital Fund to attract top-tier international VCs to Pakistan. Enable $1 billion VC investment in startups. 5. Enable active spectrum sharing, forward-looking taxation policies, regulations and incentives for the telecom industry to prepare for the upcoming 5G auction within 10 months. 6. Incentives for local manufacturing and export of smartphones in Pakistan, as well as smartphone financing platform, so that people can easily get phones on monthly installments to enhance local demand.